Exercise 10.2, question number 4. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB, BC and CA are given and you have to measure one angle P. So first, in the question number 4, you will draw a rough figure. The rough figure I have drawn here. So this is your rough figure where AB, BC, CA are labeled. This figure is also same just like question number 1. First you will draw the length AB 2.5. So first AB is equal to 2.5. AB is 2.5 centimeter. Using scale you will make it. Then you will cut 6.5 centimeter the arc with compass. From A you will cut 6 centimeter, from B you will cut 6.5. So C point, wherever it comes you will draw the line. So AC will be 6, BC will be 6.5 and the figure will be made. So AB is made with the help of scale, ruler and pencil. CA is made with the help of compass. You will measure AC is equal to 6 centimeter, measure BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. The two arcs will cut at point C and then you will join AC and AB. So triangle ABC will be made. This is how you will do the construction. After that it is written measure the length of angle B. So you have to measure the length of angle B. Using your protractor you will measure the length, measure angle B is equal to how much and write the answer. In this question the steps of construction you will write: draw line AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. This will be the first step. Second step, cut arc AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Third step you can write cut arc BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter and join. Triangle ABC will be formed. So in the third step you can write join AC and CB, triangle ABC is formed. In the last step you will write the answer. Angle B is equal to whatever degree you get, that will be your answer. After that, exercise 10.5. Now here also you have to construct a triangle. When you construct a triangle, then you have to construct a triangle DEF where two sides are given and one angle is given 90 degree. So DEF and one angle is given. So the construction of triangle is possible when two sides are given and one angle is given. In this question, two sides DE and DF are given. So triangle DEF, one angle is given. Angle EDF is given 90 degree. So let's see how. Now exercise 10.3, construction of triangle. Question number 1, you have to construct triangle DEF in which DE is equal to given 5, DF is equal to 3 and EDF is equal to 90. So first we will make a rough figure. Here there is a rough figure. I have made the rough figure. In this figure DEF is there. DE is given 5, DF is given 3 and angle EDF is 90. So the angle, this angle you know is 90. There is one angle. Now to construct this figure you will follow the rough figure. In the rough figure first we will make line DE. DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Then you will construct an angle of 90 degree. So make an arc, cut the arc here, and a 90 degree angle will be made. After that, you will keep the compass at point D. Here you will put the compass and cut an arc 3 centimeter. So with your compass you have to make 3 centimeter and join. This will become point F. This point will be point F, and then you will join it. So the figure is made where DEF is the triangle, where we have made the triangle by making line DE is equal to 5, construct angle D 90 degree and cut the arc DF is equal to 3 centimeter and join the length EF. So this length E and this length F. So E and F are joined. You can measure the length EF and the triangle will be made. So this is how we make the triangle using 2 sides and 1 angle. Now in exercise 10.5 there is construction of triangle. There is an isosceles triangle in which the length of each equal side is 6.5 and the angle between them is 110. So you have to construct an isosceles triangle. To construct the isosceles triangle, each length is 6.5. So the figure is simple. You have to make the length of the angle is 110 degree. 110 degree will be made with the help of protractor and the equal sides are 6.5. So you will make a line 6.5. Call it A, B. One angle is 110. So at A you will put the protractor. 110 cannot be made with compass, so you use a protractor and draw the angle. The angle will be made here. This angle is 110 degree. Now from A you will measure another length because it is isosceles triangle. So you have to make two lengths both of 6.5. So AB is already 6.5. So from A you will cut AC, which is also 6.5. And this point will become C. This becomes isosceles triangle. You will join AB is equal to AC. The two lengths are both 6.5 and the angle between them is 110 degrees. So this is how the construction will be done by making AB is equal to 6.5. Angle A you will make with protractor 110 degree and then you will cut arc AC is equal to 6.5 and join BC. So this figure will be made. Here also you will write the steps of construction as you have done. First you made draw line AB is equal to 6.5. Then you made construct angle A is equal to 110 degree and then cut arc AC is equal to 6.5 and then join BC. So triangle ABC is formed, which is isosceles triangle.